Hello everybody and welcome to the part 2 of the navigation bar video. So today we're going to continue with our navigation bar, but we will add some drop down menus to it. So what I want to do is that I'm going to open up this folder, the website folder, and I'm going to open up Chrome, and I'm just going to pull this here so that we can see what we did in the last video. So we made this navigation bar here with a couple buttons. So I want to add a button that says categories or something, and when you hover over it, it will display a drop-down menu. So let's open up Sublime again and make sure you have your project open here. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to do side down here, I think we're going to do .nav drop down. So this will be our drop down menu, and we will have the min width of let's say 200 pixels for now, and we won't have any min height. And we're gonna add a background color to it. Let's do green. Actually, let's do blue. And it probably won't look very good with the colors and stuff, but you can change to whatever colors you like. And we're gonna have the position position absolute. Okay. And another thing you want to do now for this to work is that you want to go to the navbar ul navbar li, and you want to do position relative. Okay. So now we also want to do dot drop down ul and dot drop down li, because we're gonna use ul's and ul list inside of here too, but we're gonna do, actually we don't have to do that. Let's keep this here for now, and let's actually just type in display block. I think that's right, yeah. And we're also going to do drop button, and this will be the buttons inside of our drop down menu, and we're going to make them text decoration none. Let's copy the now button here actually, like so, and let's make the color, yeah, we can keep, let's do black actually, and let's copy this one and 2 and just do dot drop button hover. There we go. So we have our drop down class here, and we have our ul and li, the list inside of the drop down, and we have the drop button. So and also, yeah, let's ignore that for now. So now we want to go here, and we want to do, whoops, we want to hide drop down at first, but let's just see what it looks like. So what we want to do now is that we're going to go inside of one of these. Let's create a categories here or something. Actually, let's do products, and we want to go inside of this one, inside of the lead tag here, and we're going to do div class equals to drop down. Okay, oops, drop down. And inside of here we want to have a ul and li, and that a class equals to drop button, and href will be just index.html, and we're gonna close it, and we're just gonna do Apple, I don't know, I'm gonna copy this a couple of times, Apple, Samsung, Windows, I don't know. And now if we refresh here, this is what we will see. But we want this to be below this one, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna do in the drop down class here, we're gonna do left 0. Okay, there we go. So another thing we can do is that we don't want it to be blue, we want it to be white or something. I don't know. There we go. We don't want it to be visible all the time. We only want it to show when we are actually hovering over this. So what we need to do is that we need to do like this. Dot navbar ul, I think. Dot navbar lee. Okay, and we're gonna do and dot drop down display none. So now this will be invisible. Whoops. There we go. Do not put a comma here, okay? So now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna do dot navbar lee hover dot drop down display block, okay? So now, but there is a problem. This works, but we cannot go down to it. So to fix that, go into the these navbar ul, navbar lee, and just do padding bottom, and let's do 64 pixels. That should do it, the trick. So now, whoops, that's not what we wanted. Sorry. We want to go into the nav button, and we're gonna do padding button 64 pixels. I think that's how you do it. I don't know. Yeah, that works. Okay. And the cool thing about this is that you can easily add this to another button as well. Just copy the drop down and go inside another lee. Let's do home or something, and just paste it in there. And let's put something else here. Pages, documents, files, I don't know. So now if we hover over home, we will see these. And products. So there you go, guys. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.